Greetings! This lesson is part of our in-depth video tutorial on the Mac Photos app that contains over 40 detailed videos. View every lesson as an all-access member on the macu.com. Thanks for watching! The Photos info panel will display important details and data about a photo or video. To open the info panel, just click the Info button here or use the shortcut command I. With the info panel open, it will show details for the image, or images that are selected in the library, or the currently expanded photo or video. With this image selected, let's look at this top section of the info panel. First, we have an Add a Title field. Click here, and we can enter our own custom title for this image. Notice that currently in the library, the file name is displayed under the thumbnail. When I enter a title, that will take its place. The original file name will always be visible from here in the info panel. Here in the upper right is a Favorite button. Click to favorite the selected image or images. If the selected item is already a favorite, the icon will be solid gray. In the next section is all the camera, lens, and capture information that was added to the photo or video when it was taken. This will include the camera, or in this case, iPhone model, the file type, size, and resolution. Scroll back through the library, and as older images are selected, we can see the various cameras I've used over the years. We are also presented with the shutter speed, aperture, and ISO for each shot. Next, we can add a caption and keywords. Captions provide the option to add more details about a photo, but they are only visible here in the info panel. It would be nice to have an option to overlay them on the image. Adding keywords can help with library management and organization. We will cover keywords in their own lesson. The lower part of the info panel will display the location where the photo or video was taken. This will only appear here if the camera automatically adds location data, as any iPhone will. It's also possible to add location data manually, which we will also touch on later. We will be using the info panel throughout the rest of the tutorial to add and view image details.